In this video, I am going to show you how to fix DirectX 12 is not supported on your system in Marvel Rivals. Okay, we are going to solve this problem on PlayStation 5, Xbox, and PC. On PlayStation 5, go to the network settings and check your network. If the network isn't working, go to the system settings and clear the cache. If that still doesn't work, try reinstalling Marvel Rivals. On Xbox, go to General and then to Network Settings. Check your network connection. Then go to the system settings, uninstall the game, and reinstall it. For PC, go to Steam, open your library, and locate Marvel Rivals in your Games section. Right-click on it, go to Manage, then Properties, and here, go to Install Files. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. If that doesn't work, go to the General section, and in the Launch options, add -DX12. This should solve the problem, and that's all. Subscribe, it's free.